Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Aishwarya. So this video is going to be a quick glow up for Rakhi. Now usually I'm at my hometown when it's Rakhi, so we have this get together and all my brothers join us and all of that. But this time I think it's just gonna be me and two of my brothers that I live with. So it's gonna be a very nothing actually. It's not even gonna be a thing, but I'm not gonna miss this opportunity to dress up and glow up. So this video is that. So to begin with, I just had my bath now, and I shaved and moisturized and all of that. And now for my face, so I just washed with plain water, and I'm going to put some face mask, face pack kind of a thing, because why not? So you can put some store-bought product, or you can make a face pack at home. Today I made a face pack at home, so I'm going to put that. So I've just taken, I think, a tablespoon of dahi, and then I have added a teaspoon of honey, a little pinch of turmeric powder, and what else did I put? Nothing. I think a little bit of little bit of besan to make it like a paste like consistency. I usually don't like to put besan, but today I have added that as well. I've been using this for a very long time now, so I know that this pack kind of suits me. I'll just quickly check in the mirror. So ये मेरे skin को बहुत suit होता है, that's why I like it. Now I usually also put that on my neck, but today I have already taken a bath, so I'm gonna avoid that. I'm gonna skip that altogether. So I'm going to keep this for 15 minutes, 15 minutes at least, and then जब ये सूख जाएगा, I'll wash it off and then see you guys. Or now that I'm sitting doing nothing for 15 minutes, I'm also thinking of doing my nails. बहुत ही घटिया हो गया है, so I will put some nice color. By nice color I mean black color, because that's the only color I know. So I'll do my nails and let this dry and wash it up, and then see you. And I am back. So the mask was dried up, so I washed it and I painted my nails to a darker shade of purple, something other than black. So good job. Now for my face, I'm going to put on some toner. I usually use rose water as my toner, and today I'm using Dabur rose water. I really like this. It's very pocket friendly, and it's my new bottle. I finished my previous one. So I'm gonna take a cotton ball. I usually prefer cotton pads, but वो अभी खत्म हो गया है. So I'm just going to take a cotton ball and then tap that on my face. Yes, now I'm going to let that dry up. For my skincare, I really like it's not that my skincare routine isn't very elaborate. I just use a good moisturizer. I really like this one. I have talked about this one in so many of my videos, and the construction wale log. I'm so sorry if this noise is extremely disturbing. Is it? Yeah, I think it's gone. I'll quickly talk. So I have talked about this in so many of my videos. I really like it. So I'm going to put a good amount of moisturizer on my face. Warm it up first. Okay, I really can't see. I'll have to prefer use mirror. Never forget your neck and your hands. Okay, it might really look very like I'm doing it very harshly on my face, but believe me, I'm not. Alright, and then the most important step, sunscreen. Like even though हम घर पे है, sunscreen लगाओ, it's very important. Alright, now for my makeup, I'm going to keep it extremely simple because घर पे ही है यार, कहाँ जाना है. So I'll skip foundations and all of that. I'll just probably use concealer to conceal my under eye. Rest I think is fine. Oh, I hate it when I can't open product because of my greasy hands. Oh, what man? Okay, so I use Maybelline. So I'm using Maybelline's concealer. I'm just going to conceal my under eye. I think that's it. Just here somewhere near my mouth area and on some of the blemishes that I have. That's it, and then I'm going to use a wet beauty blender to blend it all. That's it. I'm not doing any heavy thing today because I think I like it very simple, and I'm okay with my like scars on my face and all of that. I don't find the need to hide it with anything, and just then some of the setting powder because I might as well. Okay, that's it. Then for my eyes, I like to keep it very simple and maybe just apply eyeliner. Now, fun fact about me, I can't apply eyeliner. I don't know how to do it, so I apply kajal as a liner instead. So I'll probably do that. Very simple, like a very basic eyeliner. Okay, now how do I do it? Wow, beauty vlogging is not an easy thing. Wow, I really don't know how to hold this and do it. I'll apply it and then I'll see you guys. So this is it. I don't know if you can see. Can you? So it's very basic, plain eyeliner kajal stroke. Now for my eyebrows, I'm just gonna fill it in. I just got my eyebrows done, if you can tell, and this time that parlor wali auntie did it really like thin yaar. I like thick eyelashes, so I don't know, I look so different. They really are thin yaar. ठीक है. And for maybe I'll put some blush also because why not. I'm using this Sugar's 3-in-1 palette. That's it. And for my lips, I'm obviously going to wear the same stuff that I always wear. It's 08 Nude Dream from Lakme. I really like this one. It's very simple, it's a nude shade. So that's it. Now I'm also going to put a little bit of bindi that I forgot to bring, so I'll have to get up and get it. And this is my look for Rakhi. I know it's not that much, it's very simple. And about my hair, एक ज़माना था जब हमारे बाल थे और हम हेयर स्टाइल कर पाते थे. Now I don't know what I'm going to do with this length of hair. Please suggest me in the comment section below. I'm anyway posting this one day before Rakhi. I know Rakhi कल है पर मैंने आज post किया है. So tell me in the comments what I can do with this hair. And about my outfit, I'm really confused because I'm sure that both of my brothers are going to wear their shorts and t-shirts, और वो जो कपड़े में है वैसे ही कपड़ों में आएंगे. बट so I'm really confused if I should keep it very simple and like wear a simple Lucknowi kurti, maybe little Lucknowi work on it. So simple kurti with jeans and some good earrings and bindi, and like go like all out and wear say one piece with white palazzo pants and white dupatta and some gajra and some choker and maybe studs and bangles and all of that. So I don't know. These two are basically my moods. That's my two personalities. I'm either very simple or I go all out. There is nothing in between. So I'm really confused about what to wear and how to style and what to dress up and all of that. So you tell me which one of the outfits that I should wear tomorrow, taking into consideration that my brothers are going to show up in their shorts. But sure, I will dress up. So let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And I will see you in the next video. Alright then, bye bye.